Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this short video I want to show you some of the upgrades that I've been doing to the 360 over the winter, and we're talking carbon parts. This first part I want to show you is a part that I did a video about a few weeks ago. It's a rear grille in carbon, and let me show you close up what it looks like. What I really like about this is the depth that you can see in the carbon weave. If you haven't seen the video about me installing this, you should go back to my channel and check it out. Let's go inside and check out the cabin. And now inside the cabin, I want to show you the center console, which is also a carbon part. I bought it off eBay and it was delivered within very short time. Take a closer look. And this brings us on to the next part. It's a frame around the radio and the aircon. Also carbon. Beautiful piece of work. And it gives like a more modern look to the cabin, I think. Third part I want to show you is, I don't know what it's called, but this frame around here behind the steering wheel. And this brings us on to the final and fourth upgrade that I want to do, and I'm actually doing it today so you can spot the difference. It's the paddles. These are the stock ones, and as you all know, the 360 is famous for its sticky parts, and it's the same with these paddles. These are sticky, and I want to replace them with these. These are carbon paddles that I just received the other day, and I'm looking very much forward to installing them in the Ferrari. Here I post them on my old seat. As you can tell, it's pretty worn down. It's common for some wear right here. This is where you get in the car. And actually I bought a new seat which was in much better shape than this, and I had that painted, so now it looks much better, at least much better than this seat. But let me show you these a little more close up. These are actually beautiful crafted. Even the grooves, I don't know if you can make it out here, but they are so well made. Let's get them in the car. And within 2 shakes of a lamb's tail, the paddles are mounted behind the steering wheel. I think they look absolutely amazing. I hope that you can make them out. And it seems they're perfectly within reach. It feels very nice. It has this perfect little groove here behind, so you can actually fit your fingers in here. Some of the things that you'll notice when you drive the car on a regular basis. So this is what it looks like. This is some of the updates that I've been doing so far, but planning on doing much more. Among others, these panels that you can see here. There are so many other options for the cabin. Also this behind with the rev counter and speedometer, and up here you can have this changed as well, and down here you can change this panel. You can change this hole with for the little speaker. You can change the handle here. This might be a good idea because this is one of the parts that is very annoying and gets sticky. But speaking of sticky, let me just show you the old paddles. And here you can see the old paddles. Actually, they used to be sticky, but I did some work on them and it actually turned out pretty good for the color at least. But here on the back, where you use your fingers to actually use the paddles, they got worn out pretty fast. And same on this one. But yeah, I don't think I followed the instructions right, so actually I think it's my own fault. These were the updates that I wanted to show you today, and well, actually all the updates that I've done. So if you like them, please tell me in the comment section. If you don't, yeah, leave a comment as well. It's always a big controversy if you want to leave your 360 or any Ferrari as a standard, or you want to do some upgrades to it. For me, of course, I want to do the upgrades because I want it to look a bit more modern. But of course, I'm keeping the original parts so I can put them back on when I have to sell the car at some point. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care.